Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Your phone runs a supported OS and has enough space. Once done, pick a VPN model, paid for speed and logs policy, free for basic privacy. Next, create an account or ready your payment card. Make sure you use a secure email. Open the official App Store. Search the provider name, not generic VPN. Install the app and grant only necessary permissions. Location or notifications can be declined if optional. You now configure the connection. Sign in and choose a protocol, WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility. Once selected, test server choices. Pick a nearby node for lower latency or a remote country to access region-locked content. Make sure to enable the kill switch and auto-reconnect. These settings prevent leaks if the VPN drops. Also check split tunneling options if you want some apps outside the VPN. After settings, tap Connect and watch for the secure icon. You finish by verifying protection. Run an IP lookup and a DNS leak check to confirm traffic routes through the VPN. If speeds are poor, switch protocol or server, or try TCP/443 to bypass throttling. If connections fail or sites block the VPN, enable obfuscation or use a different port. Reinstall the app and clear its cache as a last resort. If problems persist, contact support with app logs. Keep credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.